UTAS Landcare is a group of students who are passionate about conserving and restoring the land. We really want to provide opportunities for every young person, every student who is interested in getting involved with practical, hands-on land management skills.
Today at Ripple Farm, we planting, 300 trees. It was a very productive day. I decided to join because I love restoring nature. I went there and the people were great fun and I learned a lot about native plants as well.
There are definitely challenges, particularly when it comes to volunteers in the environmental movement. I think with the complexities of climate change, people can sometimes feel really disempowered.
Coming and talking to the people in UTAS Landcare is both reaffirming that other people have the same worries. We can get together and talk about it. Everyone is coming together and caring about nature.
UTAS students in general have a really big care for the environment. We live in a beautiful natural state where the environment is all around you, and I think that passion is really, really strong within UTAS students. So I have no doubt that UTAS Landcare will keep going long into the future.